Hello! I thought it would be fun to start my video outside this Scooby-Doo van. We are gonna go climbing up a mountain today like crazy fools. I think it's quite far. The whole thing is about 2 hours long, and we even have to get a shuttle to the beginning of it. So, how you feeling, Rick?
Good. That's the bus there. We need to go and get it.
Oh, we gotta go. We are on the shuttle bus on the way up the mountain. I'll show you a few views. What if they take us all the way up to the top? At least we don't have to do this bit.
Yeah.
Nice. So here we are at the beginning of this crazy walk, and we start heading up that way. Just showing a little bit of the vegetation as we go. These are cute. I love these trees. They're so gorgeous. About a quarter of the way up, eh?
Is it?
I think so. Just having a little sit down. Sorry if it's a bit windy. And we just thought I'd show you a little bit of the surroundings. Can't see much through the trees, I'm afraid. Still fun seeing the landscape though, isn't it? Just wanted to show you this tree with a tree sticking out. Isn't that cute?
Oh, it looks like a blue tip.
I just saw these beautiful little flowers and I wanted to show you. They are so cute. We saw a little birdie as well, but I don't think I'll catch it for you. And this is the way up to the very top. So we're just about to climb, I think, the last bit. Yay, this is a lovely little bit. We're getting there. We're getting there. This is a pretty neat bit. Yeah. I think I'll just give you a sweep from up here. These great big massive radio towers. Cool. You never know what you're gonna find when you do these mad things. I have no idea that this stuff exists. It's just wild. We're not quite at the top. I thought this was a really neat view from up here. Yeah. Lovely little bit this. Isn't it lovely? We're almost at the top. Let's go up and see it. This beach a bit closer up. Isn't it just so beautiful? So beautiful. And I also wanted to show you, look at the blue of that. Isn't it just so gorgeous? Just take it back up. So we've been down there to Squeaky Beach, which was absolutely awesome, the one with the boulders. We might go see a couple more of them today. We're not sure yet. Rick's just found his piece. Isn't that cute? We're just making our way back down now. So we're just stopping off at another place to see another beach. It's called Norman Bay. So let's go have a look. This looks like the trail, doesn't it, hon?
Yep.
Yeah.
I found a thing.
Oh yeah. Check it out. I think. Wow, you can hear the roar. This is so fun. Such an adventure. So good. Amazing. And look over here. That is where we just climbed up Mount Oberon. Have I said it right?
Yes, well done.
Yay! And if you look very, very, very closely, you can see the antennas that we showed you before. Wow. And here is a sweep. It's gorgeous. What a lovely spot. I love those sea stacks off in the island out in the distance. Isn't they neat? So beautiful. Just give you a whole entire sweep around. There's a few people here just doing their thing. That's where we just came from over there. And there we are back to that mountain we climbed. We think this is a tidal river. Isn't it neat? Is it cold? Oh, it's pretty warm actually. That's cool. Wow, what a weird landscape. You see all the mist? It's so beautiful. That is neat. I want to show you this cool pattern. Isn't it neat? That was really cool. Here come the waves! Ah, it's really strong! Oh my god! It's stronger than you think, isn't it? It comes up higher than you think it will as well. You just have to have this sensation. It's like you're going forwards and backwards at the same time, and then sweep your arm. Do you see these patterns are starting to form, and then and then the waves that come at you are like waves of sand are coming at you, and then it starts creating the most incredible patterns on the sand. I've just never seen anything like it. I've never felt anything like this in my life. It is literally like time stops. Look at it! Is that just not so weird? I have never ever seen that. It's just, I don't know, blowing my mind just standing here. It's just so good, so good.